Masterclass on the Liftoff.
Hello, Miss Thang. Hello, Miss Crack the Whip.
Hey, Jebs. Unjani zikote?
I am fine. I'm scared. I'm scared of this convo, but I'm okay. I'm holding on, girl. I'm holding on.
Hold on, girl. Hold on.
Toli.
We're going to be okay.
Hey, Toli, talk to me about why it's important to have a festive season budget, Nje, to begin with. Why?
Yeah. You know, I love where you started the conversation, Lena. Ngoba uthe, year in and year out, we keep making the same mistakes. And the main reason we do that when Anjabs, ukuthi sithi, hi man, something happened this year. Next year, ngizoba ngcono. And you keep thinking automatically you'll do better. Ganti, especially in indaba zemali. I always explain ukuthi it's generally, and I say in quotes, it's beyond our control in that it is controlled by subconscious mind. So let behavior yethu, because it was formed so early in life, normally for us to keep overspending, to keep making mistakes emali, until you go and you change that behavior. So if last year when zama mistakes during festive and you didn't do anything to work on your financial behavior this year,
you're going to be in the same position again.
You will be. I promise you here and now. So the best thing is today, how do you protect yourself? It's late. We can only protect ourselves now, and then we'll fix things properly next year.
What are some of the big mistakes that we make as consumers over the festive season, Koli?
Yeah, so the biggest mistakes that we make, one, the first question you asked me also about e-budgeting. As e-budget, can't you know December there's something in the air, man, Jebs?
Yeah.
Spend,
that
is true. That is so. That is so true. So we make mistakes. Which one? As was big my spending limits. Which I don't go over this, and then we buy on impulse. I need to go to Black Friday, and then go to my sales, and I don't know what happens when you see the word sale.
Yep.
Now when you go crazy, you buy something that you don't even need. So, and then you end up spending abanye bethu sebenzisa ama credit cards for izinto ezingasekona essential, which then leads us to debt next year. So we end up being worse off than we were this year because we thought we were happy and we kept swiping that credit card. And then a lot of us, we forget to go to kunalama commitments a January, ama school fees, transport, rent, and all that. So the best thing is make sure you protect yourself, one, by not only budgeting. So yes, you must budget, but I say also pay things beforehand. Prepare. You know, like you prepare for things. For example, school fees. Sipatale manje uma uthola an extra money. You know, some people bathola ama bonuses.
Yeah.
Patale school fees. Uphume kiso. Even rent. Instead of ukubhatala rent ya December kuphela, bhatala ne rent ka January and even ya February, because there's something else that we don't normally pay attention to in jobs. Uloko ukuthi normally December ukhanda ukuthi maybe you're paid a little bit early. And then January, you paid a little bit early because our schools are open and all that. And then going back to norm, we reset and go February. So let difference, let's cut before after we paid January, no go pay on February. That's normally longer. I noticed that. I don't know if people normally notice that. So I normally say, please, man, when you pay rent, as batale, got December, January, and February, if you can.
Yeah.
That is if we toli bonasi or ganjani. That protects you, Guti. Even when you are happy, you're like, I'm happy. I know Guti January sorted, man. School fees, nyaz Guti school fees, ni sorted. I'm not gonna worry. Then we call it January because it's worried much. All of a sudden, it's dawning on us. So Guti, ay man. And
so protect yourself. Ukuphila nabantu around the end of January, February, sebe right ibona. The messes that they found themselves in have been able to be resolved when eyakho iwari ikani qhamuka ngoFebruary. I'm sitting here right now. I can tell you for free, the hardest month for me financially is February. December, January, I'm good. Inkinga zami ziqala ngoFeb because of imess engisuke ngiyenzile from now right up until the middle of January. It only catches up with me in Feb. That time, abantu have recovered. So I definitely am going to heed your advice. I'm going to pay things forward right up until the end of February because I've learned. I'm not going to repeat the same mistakes I've learned. Kubhlungu akumnandi. How early, Koli, should we start ideally budgeting budgeting for the festive season and January, including February? Fanele ngabe siqale nini?
Ideally kufuna ukuqala nje maqala unyaka. You know, because ideally because lawa ma savings uyabona kube nje ubosolo save nje o200 rands bakho nje. You know, umncane nje 200 rand uzo decide ukuthi I'm not eating out, uzothatha 200 angeke ngithenga KFC ngizobeka 200. Leyo mali it piles up by the end of the year uba no 2400 so uyabona ukuthi nawe ungajabula. Or lawo bo 500 uba mbo save. Okay ke asisithi sekulate sewumanje. Please budget manje. What are you going to do nyalo with whatever money that you're going to get between now nayo festive, so that usalubuka ke ukuthi okay, am I going to get extra money somewhere, am I going to get a bonus, or if not, whatever money I'm going to get, can it last me, especially lama basics, the very basics that you can't live without, like ukudla, ama grocery. And the good thing is nyalo so kunama digital vouchers e grocery lo ngavela pay forward uthenge nje ka Pick n Pay, uthenge ka Spar voucher yakho, that you know ukuthi then you'll take that voucher uhambe yolanda ukudla ngoJanuary, uhambe yolanda ukudla ngoFebruary. So ideally we should be saving towards a festive season right from the beginning of the year, but if not, let's work with what we can work with manje.
Yeah, start where you are. Ithemba lisekhona, singaqale sililahle siliphose njalo ilokhu njani ithawula, not while uXoli is still with us to give us even more tips and tricks on how to win come December this year.
Masterclass on the Liftoff.
uXoli is a financial planner. She knows a lot about how to make your money work for you and just make things a lot easier, man, empilweni, because that's what we're working for, right? Asebenzela ukuthi njalo silibe sasokola and be stuck in the same rut year in, year out. So today we are trying to be proactive, as much as uXoli has said sesilate kancane kodwa sisangalungisa lapha nalapha in terms of our December budgeting, so that it doesn't knock us up the head, right? So uXoli, I hear there are amathuluzi noma apps on our digital devices that we can use to kind of track our holiday spending and plan for it. Can you tell us more about those?
Yeah, so personally I use eExpense Manager by Bishi News. It's a free app. I like free apps.
Even me.
And it's got like exactly. It's got over 5 million downloads. But I always say what is most important, reviews, what are people saying? Is the app working for them? For me, I like using it for budgeting and I like using it to track my expenses. So after I've spent, I always keep every receipt. I come back and then I upload it to Google app so that we can check is it balancing? Because some of us will budget and then we never track are we sticking to the budget. So that's very important. There's also Vault 22 by Old Neutral. That one used to be a great one, but the current reviews are sigo right, but you can always check it for yourself and see is it something that you would like to use. There's another really good one, eMoney Manager or Wallet by Budget Bakers. Now you're right layer because it helps you manage your money. So I like my apps because it's just easy to just input. It also helps you whatever you've spent this year, next year, you can just go back to the app and see how much do I need to budget, because reality says, because sometimes you're like, I'm gonna squeeze myself into 2,000, and then you realize no man, it only makes sense if I spend 3,000. So the app will show you that because budgetile was so we are tracker and you showed how much did you actually ended up using.
uXoli, enye into esifaka enkingeni is ama traditions mhlambe mangabe sihlangene as imndeni, we exchange gifts, isikhathi saKhisimusi, izingane ziphasile uXoli, people are buying cars, people are buying homes, ufuna ukuba nawe umuntu okwazi ukuphila nabanye abantu, ufike nomngena ndlini noma ufike nje nento ethi congratulations, we've had a good year, we made it to the end of the year. And when you add all the spending that you make on these little gifting items, it comes up to quite a lot. So singayimanage kanjani ke leyo ukuthi usafuna phela nawo ukuba umuntu onomusa over this period, but awufuni futhi ukuthi lo musa ube manje ususebenza against you mangabe ususele wedwa seqala unyaka?
Exactly. So I love that, Njabs, because the truth is, siyahamba siyamakaya, some of us siyavala amadolobheni and you go emakaya. And emakaya, they do expect you to come bringing something.
Yes.
So it is important to budget for that, because some of us, we then, we act like we didn't know. Ukuthi umalume ufuna ibhodlela lika December, If umalume afuna ibhodlela budgeta ke ibhodlela lika malume. And then you go, uyamtshela umalume ukuthi okay malume, this is ibhodlela lakho, and just know ukuthi at least I've got everything covered, ubudgetile, and you're sticking to that budget. One of the things that we make a mistake with, ukuthi, you then use a credit card ubone ukuthi awubudgetanga kahle. Kanti it's always better to have maybe an emergency fund yaka December. It should budget for it. Have an emergency fund yaka December. I have a friend of mine, every time I kaya, if it's holidays, she goes home, I kaya uya budgeta, and then she leaves her credit card aflating. So in case then umalume so ufuna amabhodlela than she had budgeted for, uzotshela umalume ukuthi anginayo imali. Ayisekho yabona. So that's why you're protecting yourself, ukuthi you're not being mean to umalume. Ayisekho. So lama family traditions of buying gifts, it's good, but we must teach our children ukuthi it's not about how expensive the gift is. Even our families, it's about how much thought was put into that gift.
Sure.
So try to, you can do DIY gifts, meaningful, or even just make sure ukuthi there's a cap. Athina seyenza Secret Santa ekhaya, ukuthi uthatha iphepha, ukuthi mina I'm gifting unjabs, and then somebody else uzothatha ukuthi ugifta ubani, so that you don't buy everybody a gift, you're just buying one.
Nakhona
and then
lapho
it's in a cap
budget.
Exactly. But you don't buy logo over 300. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how expensive the gift is. It's about the fact that we love each other, we appreciate each other, and we are celebrating each other. It's not about the money. So that's very important to highlight. Not only, I think for me, igakulu, it's for the kids, because we need to make sure we let our kids know it's about love, it's about family, it's about being there for each other. Not it's about showing off. I've got a new car, I bought a new car. And yes, those of us, you want to gift yourself. If you want to gift yourself with a new car, if you want to gift yourself with a home, budget for it. Plan for it. It can't be a boom. It's Christmas. Whoa, let me go get a car. No, it's too much of an expense.
Sure. So kufanele sibuyele ku craft. Ingane zethu asakwazi ngisho ukukhanda ama happy birthday card nama Christmas card manje, because sikholelwa ekutheni yonke into kufanele ithengwe. It's a lost art. Let's go back to arts and craft wasekhaya. Wexoli, you mentioned indaba ukuthi umngane wakho uyayethi mangabe ekhaya alishiye icard ngemuva, right? But njengamanje, in terms of technology, we have these cards loaded onto our phones. Manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe is it a good idea for you to delete the virtual cards that we have loaded on our phones, because that also makes overspending very easily and everything is super accessible?
Yep, you can delete that and then you can reinstall it, during January or wherever. Because like I said, Jabsuguti, because we didn't work on our behavior. We must protect ourselves now until, you start the work. Because the person, I always say, the person I was 2 years ago is not the person I am now. I was bad with money 2 years ago, but because I've done the job, I can have all credit cards and have access to 10 million. It's not going to bother me, because now I know I'm just simply not going to do this. I'm simply not going to do that, because it's not good for me in the long run. And for me, one of the key things is we must leave generational wealth. We must, because it doesn't make sense for our children to start from zero or even negative. Their parents were working, or we had access to, making money.
Yeah. All right, we're about to wrap up i-masterclass yanamhlanje. Uxoli ngiyafisa asinike amanye futhi ama-tips ukuthi ifomo ke bakithi, yebo i-budget usuyenzile, watshela wazicondition ukuthi hayi okungekho ebudgetini angikwenzi, mese umngane wakho umsenti afika apipizele lapha ekseni pipip athi asambe siyothenga isinki. Uyazi ukuthi ngeke nize nibuye naso leso sinki, uyazi ukuthi kuyoshaya isicathulo mhlambe kuyobuywa ngo3 entatha. Lapho wena ubusutshelile ukuthi I'm not going to go outside of this budget. How do you manage ifomo ke, fear of missing out over the festive season? That when we come back on i-masterclass.
Masterclass on the Liftoff.
You hear that? That's the festive knocking. And umnyango sovula. and so vula nice and wide but akufanele ukuthi mangabe sesiuvala ke manje umnyango isiphelile festive ishiye sisola around every decision that we were happy in the moment, and kubalekile ukuthi to try and avoid this sikhulume nama financial planners afana noXolisile Thwala to give us indlela to be smarter, you know. So Xoli, we're talking about fear of missing out. Bakithi yebo sibadala, yebo izinto eziningi sesizenjoyile, kodwa mengabe ziqhamuka futhi ngo December of 2025 kuba ngathi if ungayanga kuleyo party noma kuleyo get together kuvele kube ngathi uzoshona ngisho usumdala usuyile kwamanye ama get together ngo December 2024 nango December 2023 kodwa leka December 2025 Xoli mangabe ngingayanga oh my gosh ngizoba inhlekisa Xoli, my life will never be the same. These are all the things that go on in your head. Like your mind messes with you so much. Only if fear of missing out see overcome kanjani because iyona ikhathana nebudget.
That's true. Well, I think instead of deciding which you're not gonna go to any gathering, choose a few, 2 or 3, and then just the life, because normally they'll advertise. The party to go to Mnyalonga December. So look at all the parties and then prioritize. Hi man, yeah, but in a schedule, right? So have like the priority part to go buy. So that those 2 or 3 are budgeted, and then I did say Uguti have an emergency money your December, even if it's 10% of your December budget, an emergency money that you've budgeted for in case there would come night that you didn't know about, and and then you can go. But we should be realistic, Uguti, you can't be everywhere.
Yes,
that's just a fact. I think it's part of adulting. As much as you as an adult, you still have that little girl, that little boy inside of you that still wants things, but you must be realistic. We don't want injabule eskashana that will give you stress, for the rest of the next year, because then you'll have to catch up. If you mess up manje, we said early when if you mess up manje, then you have to catch up. Now you've overspent and you've used your credit card, and now what was costing 1,000 credit card bazokushanga ma charges, say you worth 1.5 usufuna umbhadale manje. It doesn't help. I had fun, but now it comes with the stress. Now I've got issues. So yes, prioritize. I'm a part. I'm a bilan. 2 or 3. You go there. You look nice. You have the fun of your life, and then don't get, because sometimes people on social media. Oh, we are post to ban. Oh, baby Nandi. It's okay. It's okay.
Abantu ku social media nakhole sebehlakanipele manje, and nathi kufanele siqale sibone lento ukuthi hayi man. So maybe we also need to employ those same tricks that they get us with labantu baku social media. Now have party in the middle of manje or middle of November ungapost lutho upost ngo December, nawe kuzoba ngathi
exactly
kanti content kade wayithatha ususiqina ngayo manje. Nami sengizokwenza njalo sikhathela abantu bedlala ngathi.
I like that. It's a good idea. I like that.
No, true, definitely. I
love that. So most importantly, we should understand December shouldn't shift us from our financial goals away to. We still have to achieve our financial goals. So think now, but also think long term. You don't want that stress in the long term.
Recovery, because yes, it's good and well that we are trying as hard as possible to make provisions for what we need. What December manje, but in reality, iti aktina sonke sokwazi ukuyinqoba leyo ifomo abanye izomuga nathi, and then we find ourselves in a position that we are trying to avoid right now. So mangabe usulingekileke and you went overboard and you have dipped into your emergency funds, you have dipped into your credit cards, etc. How do we recover from that?
So you should have a damage report. Ugutu, all right, TK. Wow. So now I've messed up. Because it's life anyways. Like you're saying, Jabs, Uguti, we need to be realistic. We hope we don't mess up, but if we do, have a damage report, which is why I like logo tracker. Ugutu, okay, ben budgeted this, but I ended up spending this much. Also, Zubona, okay, next year I'll have to increase my budget. But in the meantime, let damage report is or reflect. Okay, how bad is it? How bad did I put put myself in the hole. That then means with moving forward, because the funny thing is December has the, spend. January has life starts mind. So then when January starts, you have to cut on luxuries. Say Sitima wants the things that you can live without, because needs are the things you can't live without. But Tama wants the things that you can live without, like eating out, like some subscriptions that you don't, because some of us, you've got these subscriptions or DSTV or Netflix, but you never own Netflix, you don't have that time, or you don't even reach the wood. Exactly, right? Yeah. So the things you can live without, cut at least for a month or two to catch up, and then just have a no spend January challenge or no spend February challenge, because now you need to catch up on the extra that you ended up paying, and prioritize repayments. Those small debts, those credit cards, because they come with interest, so you end up paying way more. So try you cut on the ones, and you take that money, and then you pay repayments first, and any other repayments that you need to make.
Sometimes the issue is not us and restricting ourselves or being strict and disciplining ourselves when it comes to our finances. Sometimes, like we're saying, we are going to be in the company of our families and friends and our partners. The expectation for from those people iyona eyayibe inkinga, and nathi asifuna ukuthi sibaphoxe mangabe sesindawonye. Uyafisa na ukukhombisa ukuthi how ma ubudinga igedlela elisha la ekhaya othi ngikuthengele, how ubudinga ukuthi othi ngikwenze. So manager kanjani mhlambe ama expectation abantu esobe sinabo over the festive period without it coming to a conflict situation, because yingxabano lezi esingafuni.
That's so true. So what I used to do before my mom passed on, you would prime her. It's called priming. Uyaqala nje manje nje uthi we ma yo ibudget yangishaye anginamali. So you start now, uyabetshela ukuthi ngizokwenza njani nga December, ayikho kahle imali. That's why you're preparing them to expect nothing. And then when you buy that cake, they are so happy. Angithi you buy the cheapest now phela. So when you buy that little thing, because it's good to surprise your parents, at home, with that little thing. But so when you buy that, so you prime them, you prime the family. Psychology ukuthi expected that thing usho ukuthi yazi lo nyaka ayibedulile lezinto yambili imali. So that way ukuthi yes, they don't expect something big, because all of my expectations my expectations that beat us. So when they have low expectations, then it's fine. But if you're married and you're in a family, you sit down early and you really get honest about money. Okay, listen, we don't have much money. We've got children. Let's prioritize praying for things, paying forward, making sure that our bond, if you've got a bond, if you can do 2 or 3 months, payment of that bond, you agree, we are paying the bond, we're paying school fees, and we are buying school uniforms as soon as we can. So we know what we're not worried about January, we're not worried about February. And once you are in agreement, what are our priorities? Even travel, you can buy those fuel cards, and you prepare. So you've got, getting the fuel card as on last till end of February. You do that. So even as an individual, so you use those and you buy Lawama digital coupons, for ukudla and all that. But you must have sat down as a family and you've agreed. For your bigger family, you prime them to expect nothing, and then you come up with something small. It becomes a huge thing because they expected very little.
Yeah, fanele sihlakaniphele manje lento. Abantu sibashaya nge2-1 ngisho unayo.
Psychology. We must
Exactly.
Xoli,
thank you so much for being with us once again. Always such a learning experience being with you on the show.
Gagasi FM.